Okay, so start tayo. Di-discuss ko for today is all about geometric sequence. Compare lang natin para mas lalo natin maintindihan kung ano ba ibig sabihin ni geometric at ni arithmetic. Kasi both are sequence. Okay, so apat kasi yung sequence natin. We have arithmetic, geometric, Fibonacci, and harmonic. Ayun yung kumbaga simplest na sequence natin. So we have arithmetic. Mabasa ba? Now we have geometric. Ito yung topic natin for today. So geometric. So ano kaya yung pinagkaiba nila? Sino tong si Isaac? Sino to? So arithmetic, sinabi natin noon, it has a common difference. Now, si arithmetic din, ang kanyang formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Ayan si arithmetic. So, paano kinukuha si d? We have a sub 2 minus a sub 1, a sub 3 minus a sub 2, and so on and so forth. So, yan yung pagkuha sa kanya. So, meron siyang tinatawag na common difference which is yung d. Okay? Pagdating naman kay geometric, si geometric, siya ay meron siyang common ratio. Okay? So, ratio na siya. Ibig sabihin, fraction na yung common ratio. Now, ang kanyang formula, ito discuss ko na, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. So, yun yung formula niya. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. Okay, so, ang formula niya for r, paano hinahanap si r? We divide a sub 2 by a sub 1, divide a sub 3 by a sub 2. Kaya ratio, makikita nyo, fraction siya. Para mahanap natin yung ratio. So, yun yung pinagkaiba ni arithmetic tsaka geometric. Yan, makipicture. Okay na tayo? Ayun yung definition. Geometric ratio ay geometric sequence. They are formed by multiplication. Ito pala, they are formed by addition. Geometric, they are formed by multiplication. Okay. For example, I have a given sequence. May given sequence ako. Ito siya. For example, I have 6, 12. Sunod niya ay 24, 48. So now, how do I know if this is an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence? Ngayon, dalawang steps na tayo sa pag-identify. Kasi last time, di ba, arithmetic sequence na nilidiscuss natin, kaya ito common difference na agad yung nahanap. Ngayon, we'll find the two. Titingnan natin kung ano yung compatible. So, kailangan natin malaman if it has a common difference, kung arithmetic ba siya, or it has a common ratio, geometric sequence ba siya. So, unang step natin, first step is to determine if it is an arithmetic sequence. So, kung arithmetic siya, anong gagawin natin? We use this. Hanapin natin yung mga common difference, kung pare-parehas ba siya. So, we have, ang common difference ni 12 minus 6. D muna tayo, D. 12 minus 6 is 6. So, pagdating kay 24 minus 12, naging 12 na siya. So, dun pa lang, hindi na siya arithmetic kasi hindi na parehas yung naging common difference nila. Or hindi common yung kanilang difference. So, X ka na kagad kay arithmetic nun. Ngayon, i-check mo na ngayon siya kung siya ay geometric. So, how do we find this? So, divide natin itong dalawa. 12 divided by 6. Kasi a sub 2 over a sub 1, sabi dito. So, we have 2. So 24 divided by 12, we also have 2. 48 divided by 24, we also have 2. So naging common lahat ng naging ratio nila. Therefore, geometric tong sequence natin na to. So yun yung steps natin sa pag-identify. We have 2 steps. First, kapag nasatisfy niya yung common difference, therefore it is an arithmetic. Kapag hindi niya nasatisfy yon, hindi same yung differences nila, you proceed with identifying kung geometric sequence ba siya. Okay? So 2 steps tayo. Kapag pumalo na siya sa arithmetic, nag-common na lahat ng difference. So arithmetic na yon. Skip na yung step number 2. Pero kapag hindi naging common, proceed with step number 2, which is dividing each terms. Okay, so yung general terms natin, okay, so yung, oh my God, nalaglag. CJ, kung akong tissue, baby. Okay, so yung general terms natin, ang general terms ni arithmetic dati, yung a sub 1, a sub 1 plus d, a sub 1 plus 2d, di ba? A sub 1 plus n minus 1. So hanggang n plus 1, n minus 1 times. So ito yung mga dito, general terms. So ito yung first term, second term, third term hanggang sa nth term. So yun yung general term ni arithmetic. Ano ngayon yung general term ni geometric? So kay geometric, pagdating kay geometric, ang kanyang general term ay we have a sub 1, a sub 1 r. Kasi tatandaan nyo, it is formed by multiplication. Dito, it is formed by addition. Kaya nag-add lang tayo ng common difference. Add ka lang ng add. Okay? Pagdating dito kay geometric, nagmo-multiply ka na. So, a sub 1 times r. Next, you have a sub 1 r squared. Kasi magmo-multiply ka ulit ng r. Okay? So, next one, a sub 1 r cubed. So, hanggang maabot ka dun sa formula niya na a sub 1 Rn minus 1. So, this is our nth term. Sabi mo kay Eager na naka-record naman tong Zoom natin. I-upload ko na lang mamaya. Kinompare ko na para makita nyo yung pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. So, yun yung mga pinagkaiba nila. Ulitin ko lang, si arithmetic sequence, meron siyang common difference. Keyword natin, difference. Si geometric counterpart niya is ratio. Okay, common ratio. Ibig sabihin, sa arithmetic, we subtract. Nagma-minus tayo kaya difference. Sa geometric, nagdi-divide tayo kaya ratio. Ito yung kanyang general formula. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d for arithmetic. Okay, and for geometric, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. So, naka-raise yung r ha. Next, to find the common difference, we use this formula, a sub 2 minus a sub 1, and a sub 3 minus a sub 2, a sub 4 minus a sub 3, and so on and so forth. So, sa geometric, we have r, which denotes common ratio, is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. So, dinidivide lang natin siya. Si arithmetic, it is formed by addition. Si geometric, it is formed by multiplication. Okay? So, yung general formulas or general terms, we have here a sub 1, a sub 1 plus d, kasi nag-form daw siya by addition. So, nag-add lang tayo ng common difference niya. Ito, a sub 1 plus 2d, paano siya naging 2d? Kasi ito, nag-add lang ulit tayo ng panibagong d, kaya naging dalawa na yung kanyang d. Hanggang sa umabot tayo dun sa formula niya. Next, kay geometric naman, we have a sub 1 pa rin, kasi yun yung first term natin. Next, nag-multiply naman tayo kasi it is formed by multiplication. So, multiply tayo ng r, multiply tayo ulit ng r, kaya naging r squared. Multiply tayo ulit ng r, para naging r cubed. So, hanggang umabot ka ulit sa general formula niya na, a sub 1, r raised to n minus 1. Okay na? Tapos na, Jedalyn? Okay. So, proceed tayo. Example sa tayo kaagad. Kasi nabigay ko na yung formula, di ba? Gawin ko na to, ha? Sulat ko na lang yung formula dito, geometric. Okay, so example tayo. We have first example. Okay, write the first 5 terms. Okay. So yung ating problem, write the first 5 terms. So hinahanap yung a sub 1 to a sub 5 of a geometric sequence with a sub 1 is equal to 8 CJ, dog, and R is equal to 3. Ulitin ko. Kasi tahol ng tahol yung mga aso. So write the first 5 terms of a geometric sequence with a sub 1 is equal to 8. So yun yung first term niya. And R is equal to 3. So we use the formula a sub n is equal to R is equal to a sub 1 R raised to n minus 1. So para mahanap natin, meron na tayong given na a sub 1. So yun na, wala tayong problema doon. 8 siya. So we have a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. A sub 5. Yeah. So, unang hahanapin natin is yung ating a sub 2. Okay, so we substitute, we have a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1, r raised to 2 minus 1. So, magiging a sub 2 is equal to, ano yung a sub 1 natin? We have 8 times 3 raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. So, we have a sub 2 is equal to 24. So, ang ating a sub 2 is 24. Next, hanapin natin yung ating a sub 3. So, we use the same formula. Papalitan lang natin yung n. I have a sub 3 is equal to a sub 1 r raised to 3 minus 1. Ang aking a sub 3 is equal to 8 times 3 raised to 3 minus 1 is 2. So, a sub 3 is equal to 8 times 9. A sub 3 is equal to 72. Ayan siya. Next, hanapin natin si a sub 4. Now, we have a sub 4 is equal to a sub 1 r raised to 3, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So, we have a sub 4 is equal to 8 times 3 raised to 3. So, a sub 4 is equal to 8 times 27. Kasi 3 cube. So, nalabas sa ating sagot. Medyo malaki na siya. 8 times 27. Labas ang calcu. So, we have 216. So, that is our a sub 4. Okay, so we have 216. And lastly, we have a sub 5. A sub 5 is equal to a sub 1 r raised to 5 minus 1. So, you have a sub 5 is equal to 8 times 3 raised to 4. So, we have a sub 5 is equal to 8 times 81. Tama ba? Hindi. tama, 81. Yan. So, we multiply 8 times 81 is 648. So, kung mapapansin nyo, papalaki na siya ng papalaki kasi nagmumultiply tayo. Napo-form kasi siya by multiplication. Hindi siya tulad nung arithmetic na nag-add lang tayo kaya maliit lang yung mga numbers. So, ito, papalaki siya ng papalaki. May mga times na sa sobrang laki nung mahahanap yung number, magtataka kayo kung tama pa ba yung sagot ninyo. So, paano nyo i-check yun? I-double check nyo lang yung solution nyo. Lahat ng mga in-enter nyo na numbers. Ayun, na-encounter na ni Tintin yun. Natakot siya sa sobrang laki ng number. Kasi exponential siya. Kumbaga, kasi si arithmetic, pa ganyan lang siya. Yung graph niya. Si geometric, pa gano'n na siya. So, drastic yung biglang pagtaas niya. So, ito yung 1, 2. Tumataas na lang siya bigla. Ganun siya. Exponential siya eh. Kasi arithmetic, more of linear siya in nature, kaya ganun yung lalabas nating mga kasagutan. Okay, ito. Dami pumapasok pa. Okay. So, kailangan daw natin siyang i-determine yung dalawang sequence na yan kung arithmetic ba siya or geometric. So, on your notebooks, try to answer. Bigay ako ng 5 minutes para masagutan na. Adis. Hello, ika. Ano sagot sa 1? Ba yan? Si Cairo. Ano sagot sa number 1?
Arithmetic po yung answer.
Arithmetic siya. Bakit? Ay, letter A pala. Sorry. So, paano natin siya malalaman? Subtract tayo. Subtract. So, 10 minus 8 is 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. 14 minus 12 is 2. 2. So, meron siyang common difference na 2. Therefore, it is an arithmetic. Thank you. How about letter B? Si Benedict.
Geometric, sir.
Geometric. Paano siya naging geometric?
4 divided by 8 tsaka 2 divided by 4.
Okay. So, ang ratio niya is?
1/2.
1/2. Very good. Paano naging 1/2? 4 over 8. 1/2 yan. 2 over 4 is 1/2 also. 1 over 2 is 1/2. 1/2 over 1 is 1/2. Therefore, yung ratio niya is 1/2. Lang. Ganun lang sa kadali. Okay. Last example tayo para din sa paghahanap ng nth term. Yan. Find the A11. A11 yan. Maliit masyado. A11. Given the geometric sequence, negative 40, 20, negative 10, and 5. A sub 11. Sige, 5 minutes. Tingnan natin kung may mga kasagot. Using the formula. Okay. Sino pwede magsagot? Sagot ni Tintin, negative 390 million. Tingnan natin kung tama ang kanyang kasagutan. Sino po may ibang sagot bukod sa 390 million? Wala. Magtawag tayo. How about ang mahiwagang Marigold? Nagsagot si Claire, negative 5 over 128. How about si Gold? Ano sagot?
Hindi ko alam kung tama sa akin, sir. Negative 4,400.
O, sige. I-check natin. I-check natin.
Mababa sa akin, sir. Maduga.
I-check natin kung tama. So, kung hinahanap natin A11, para magamit natin itong formula, we need to identify first yung ating A sub 1, R. So, yung N kasi natin is 11 na. So, A sub 1 natin is negative 40. Yung R natin, R is A sub 2 over A sub 1. We have 20 divided by negative 40. We have negative 1 half. Negative 1 half siya. Oh. Double check natin kung tama. A sub 3 over A sub 2 naman. We have negative 10 over 20. We have negative 1 half pa rin. So, R is negative 1 half. So, substitute na tayo sa formula. We have A sub 11 is equal to negative 40 times R, which is 1 half negative, raised to 11 minus 1. Okay, so we have 40, negative 40 times negative 1 half raised to 10. So, paano natin malalaman yan? Gamitin natin si CalQ. Paano ginagamit si CalQ? Teka, kunin ko yung CalQ ko. Hindi ko pala nakuha yun. Negative 1 half. Gumamit tayo ng parenthesis. Nakita ba? Yan. So, negative. Ito yung negative ba? Hindi yung minus. Ito yung negative. Negative 1 half. Negative 1 half. Babasa ba yan? Negative 1 half. Close parenthesis. Erase kay 10. Then click equals. So, ang sagot is, and sagot, 1 over 1,024. So, meron tayong negative 40 times negative 1, positive na siya, 1,024. So, multiply lang yan. Click times negative 40. Then click equals. Ang sagot, negative 5 over 128. Si Tintin yung tumama. Si Gold, malayo yung sagot. Sino pa yung isang malayo yung sagot? Si Gianni din, malayo ang sagot. Ay, si Claire pala yung tumama. Sorry. Si Tintin yung mali. Isa pang example. Isa pa example tayo. Last example na to. Kasi yun lang na may di-discuss natin ngayon. Okay, so yan. Find A sub 6. A sub 6 yan. Ako nababasa nyo maliwanag. A sub 6. Okay, so substitute na lang tayo dito. We have A sub 6 is equal to A sub 1R raised to 6 minus 1. So I have A sub 6 is equal to 3 times 3 raised to 6 minus 1. So I have A sub 6 is equal to 3 times 3 raised to 5. So A sub 6 is equal to 3 times, ano ba yung 3 raised to 5? We have 243. So ang ating A sub 6 is equal to 729. Yan. Tulad nung sa arithmetic, meron din tayong alternate formula kapag hindi given si A sub 1. So ito yung formula kapag given si A sub 1. Okay, so iyan. Meron din tayong second formula. Yung second formula natin, papalitan lang natin ng K, si 1. Okay, so yung second formula natin ito. A sub n is equal to A sub k is equal to, ay times r raised to n minus k. For example, kasi hindi given si A sub 1, given lang si A sub 4, tsaka si A sub 2, for example. As long as yung n natin ay mas mataas palagi kay k. So, paano siya? Let's try an example. So, for example, I have A sub 2 is equal to 4. I have an A sub 4 is equal to 1. Ang hinahanap ko si A sub 1, for example. How do I find A sub 1? So, using the formula, this formula, identify muna natin yung R. Yung ating common ratio kasi magkalayo sila. So, we substitute. I have A sub 4 is equal to A sub 2. R, ano yung N natin? 4 minus yung K natin is 2. So, magiging A sub 2 R squared to. Okay? So, next. Substitute tayo. We have 1 is equal to 4 times, ano yung R nawawala? Squared. So, hinahanap muna natin yung R. So, divide both sides by 4. This will cancel. So, I have 1 over 4 is equal to R squared. Square root both sides. 1/2 is equal to R. Kaso, tandaan nyo squared yan. So, pwede tayong it's either positive or negative. Okay, naintindihan yon. So, pwede natin hanapin si A sub 1. Tingnan muna natin kung anong R yung magsasatisfy kapag ganito siya. So, I have A sub 4 is equal to A sub 2 R squared. So, I have 1 is equal to A sub 2 times 1/2 squared. So, I have 1 is equal to A sub 2 times 1 over 4. So, multiply both sides by 4. So, 4 is equal to A sub 2. So, ito. Tumama naman tayo. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin gamitin yung positive 1/2. So, hanapin natin yung A sub 1. So, A sub 1, paano yung nahanap sa A sub 1? Gamitin na natin yung unang formula. So, we have, yan. So, A sub n, so pwede natin gamitin yung 4, for example. Is equal to A sub 1, 1/2 times 2 minus 1. So, I have 4 is equal to A sub 1 times 1/2. Multiply both sides by 2. This will cancel. So, I have 8 is equal to A sub 1. Yan siya. So, we have dalawang formula. Questions? Example to. Exercise sa notebook. A sub 4 is equal to 3. A sub 6 is equal to 4 over 3. Okay? So, ito siya. Ang una natin gagamiting formula, ito. Yan. So, we have A sub 4 and A sub 6 na given. So, mas mataas yung A sub 6. A sub 4 r raised to 6 minus 4. Kasi yung n natin is 6, yung k is 4. So, now, we substitute, we have 4 over 3 is equal to 3 times r raised to 6 minus 4 is 2. So, r squared. Hinahanap muna natin is r. So, we divide both sides by 3. So, this will cancel. This will become 4 over 9. R squared. Paano ba kayo mag-divide ng fraction? 1/2, pag dinivide by 2, magiging 1 whole ba? Hinati mo nga siya ulit eh. So, ibig sabihin, magmumultiply yung kanyang denominator ka magiging 1/4. Same is true din dito. 4 over 3, hatiin mo sa 3, hindi siya lalaki. Liliit siya lalo. So, magiging 4 over 9. Tandaan niyo yun ha. Nalilito kayo sa A, B over C. Magiging A over B, C yun. So now, square root tayo. This will become 2/3 is equal to R. So, meron na tayong R. Hanapin natin sa A sub 1 using the first formula. So, we have A sub 4 na lang gamitin natin. We have A sub 1, R raised to 4 minus 1. Okay? So, 4 minus 1. Now, we have, substitute tayo, we have 3 is equal to A sub 1. Yung R natin is 2/3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So, 2/3 raised to 3 yan. Okay, so we have 3 is equal to A sub 1 times 8 over 27. Now, we multiply both sides by, para mawala to, babalik na rin lang natin, we have 27 over 8. 27 over 8. Ngayon, this will cancel out. So, meron na tayong 81 over 8 is equal to A sub 1. Si ano ata to eh. Nagets ba? Sino to? Sino to tuloy? Sino nakakakuha? Sino na nakagets?